Friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. So friends, are you facing can't install app in your phone, or if you're talking about Naukri app, if you're not able to install Naukri app in your phone, in your through the Play Store in your mobile, then here is the fix. So first of all, we will go to phone settings. Let's find phone settings. Tap on app settings, mobile settings, then tap on apps. You can see here, tap on it. Now tap on app management. Now find Google Play services for AR. You can see here, you can search or you can manually go through. And now in this page you have to tap on force stop. This you can see here. Let's tap on it. Now tap on force stop. Now tap on storage usage. Let's click on it. And then clear cache. A data will be showing here. To clear it, you can clear it. After clearing the cache, you will be seeing that it is showing as 0. Now you can see here it is already there. And now after that you have to tap on clear data. Let's tap on it. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. So you have to tap on delete. This means that once you open the app, you will again have to give all the permissions, right, as a fresh. So you should have clarity that after clicking on delete, there is nothing going to happen. You can simply log in by using your credentials and you have to give all the permissions. And after following these processes, you have to just simply restart your phone. After restarting the phone, you can go to Play Store. Now find Naukri. Tap on it. Now if you are able to see, now because Naukri is already in my phone, so it is asking for open or uninstall. So if you want to install, let me show you how to do it. I am uninstalling it because it is already there. Now I will again install it. What happen is, sometimes if you are having existing app in your phone, for example Naukri, WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever, so in that case you can, if you are already having but you are not able to open this, you just simply follow these processes and update the app. Once you open the app, you might see update is available, so simply you can update the app. And if you're not able to install any of the app from the Play Store in your phone, whether it is Android, iOS or iPhone, you just simply have to follow these processes and you will be able to install the app. So I hope this video is going to help you out and you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. So let me show you here that how it is going to be installed. It is showing as installing, right? Now you can see it is already installed. Now we can use it after logging into the account. So I hope this video is helped you out and you must have learned. So Please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Once again I'm saying thank you for watching.